Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find a solution for the third question in exercise 7.10. Let's look at the first subdivision, integral 2 to 3 power x dx. So this is of the form integral of a power x dx. So let's directly apply the formula, which is a power x by log a. Now let's substitute in this integration the values directly. So this is going to be equal to a here is 3. So 3 power x divided by log 3. The whole thing I need to apply the limits between 2 to 3. So now let's do this. So this is going to be 3 power 3 divided by log 3 minus 3 power 2 divided by log 3. Now this 1 by log 3 is a constant in both the limits. So I'm taking it outside. So this is 3 cube, which is going to be 27 minus 3 square, which is equal to 9. So this is nothing but 18 divided by log 3. So this is the answer for the first subdivision. Now let's take up the second subdivision. So in the second subdivision, it is integral 2 to 3 dx divided by x square minus 1. So this is of the form integral of dx divided by x square minus a square. So the formula is 1 by 2a log of x minus a divided by x plus a. So here we are first going to integrate by directly substituting in the formula. So a squared is 1, which means a is also equal to 1. So after integration, it is 1 by 2 into a. So 2 into 1 is that only. So I am placing it as 1 by 2 log of, this is going to be x minus 1 divided by x plus 1. And remember, I have the limits 2 to 3. Since 1 by 2, there is no changes in it. I am keeping it outside the limit. Now let's substitute the value. So this is going to be 1 by 2 log of, the upper limit is 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2 divided by 3 plus 1 is 4. So this is half into log of 2 by 4 minus, let's substitute the lower limit. So this is going to be log of 2 minus 1 is 1 divided by 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is going to be log of 2 by 4 minus log of 1 by 3. Remember the logarithm properties, log a minus log b is log of a by b. So this we can write this as half into log of 2 by 4 divided by 1 by 3. So this we are going to simplify. So this is half into log of 2 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2. This will become 3 by 1. So on simplification, it is half into log of 3 by 2. So this is the final answer for the second subdivision. In the next video, we will find the solution for the fourth question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.